Hi, in this video, we're going to learn a new pattern in the Unity software, which is the closed class parts of speech pattern. In this particular video, we'll take a look at adverbs and prepositions. The difference with the closed class parts of speech is they actually start with the part of speech keys and then come down to the icons that carry the meaning, whereas when we say verbs and adjectives and nouns, we start down here and then go up to our part of speech key. So in this video, we're going to do, like I said, prepositions and adverbs. The preposition key is this bridge. And so the bridge represents prepositions because you could sail under the bridge, you could go across the bridge, you could fly through the clouds or over the bridge. And so this key is the first key in any preposition sequence. Now we've actually learned a couple of one-hit prepositions, the word on, and the word to are prepositions that are kind of outside of that pattern, but you will see actually that when I select the bridge key that I actually can also still say on as a two-hit. Although I don't think that I would ever want to say it as a two-hit icon sequence when I could say it more efficiently by just hitting it once. Let's take a look at some of the different some of the different prepositions that are in the system. So if I select my bridge key, I have my thumbs up key and my thumbs down key, and as prepositions they represent up and down. So I can say up, I can say down. Let's say he is going up. He is going up.
He is going up.
Or she is coming down. She is coming. Remember, the dog represents coming down. Preposition plus the thumbs down key.
Down.
Okay. Another preposition that we would want to take a look at would be off. We know on. Let's go ahead and say off. Off is with the stop key.
Off.
Or the stop icon, because when you want something to stop, you could turn it off. Okay, so let's say it is coming off. Clearly, this has just come off, and I'm trying to put it back on. So let's say it is. Use the dog.
Coming.
Preposition plus the stop sign.
Off. It is coming off.
It is coming off. And let's do another preposition. Let's do in, right? In and out. We can put things in our chest, right?
In.
Let's say they are in bed. They are in bed.
Bed. They're in bed.
They are in bed. And then out is preposition. And when you're playing a game, often you roll the dice out of some kind of a container. So that's our out word.
Out.
Let's say
out.
She is going out. She is
going
out.
Out.
Let's say she's going out to play.
To play. She is going out to play.
She is going out to play. A couple of other prepositions that we want to learn would be the word with, and that starts again with the preposition key. And this mom and the baby, that baby's always with his mom.
With.
Let's say she is playing with me. She is playing with, which is the preposition key plus the mom and the baby. With me.
Me.
Or let's say I am working with him. I plus our auxiliary.
I
am working with preposition plus the mom and the baby.
With
him.
I am working with him.
Okay, let's do the word over. I love over because it's a fun story behind it. Preposition plus the rainbow is over. because of
over,
the song Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Let's say, are they coming over? So, starting with our auxiliary key and coming down to they.
are they
Are they coming
coming
over?
over? Are they coming over?
Are they coming over? Okay, let's do one more. Let's do the preposition outside. A lot of our kids like to play outside. So it's going to be our preposition key plus the sun,
Outside,
because we see the sun when we're outside. Okay, let's say I am going outside. So I plus the auxiliary.
I am
am going
going
outside. Preposition plus the sun.
outside.
And let's go ahead and do they are playing outside. They plus auxiliary
They are playing
and preposition plus the sun.
outside. They are playing outside.
Now, one of the cool things that I've learned about language is that you can pair certain verbs with prepositions and you get a whole new meaning. For example, if I use the word look,
Look,
that means that I'm actually putting my eyes on something, fixing my eyes on something. But if I say look up,
look,
preposition plus that thumbs up key,
up,
that means I could look something up on Google, right, or in the dictionary. Or I could say look down. Look
look,
down.
down.
I don't know
Look
that it's
down.
a good idea to look down on somebody or something, but that's something else. I also, if I'm perusing something, I could be saying I'm looking it over, right? So I could say look over. Look
Look,
over.
over.
Let's
Look
do
over.
one more. Let's say look out. Look
Look,
out.
out. Look over, look out.
So that's kind of fun. You can explore a lot of different preposition phrases like that with the verb and the preposition together. They're called phrasal verbs. The other part of speech that we're going to look at in this video are adverbs. Now you'll remember that adverbs that end with an ly are with their adjectives. So we have slow
Slowly,
and slowly. We have bad and badly.
badly.
We have new and newly.
Newly.
But there are many adjectives that are called there are many adverbs that are called lexical adverbs, and they actually start with our adverb key, and then they come down to the icons that carry meaning. So one of the first adverbs like this that I teach is the word again. Like we have to cook again, it's time to cook again, we want to eat again, or we have to stir it again. And so
Again.
it's the adverb key plus the kitchen icon.
Again.
Let's say I need to do it again. I need
I need
to do
to do
it
it
again.
again. I need to do it again.
Or she wants to play again. Now we didn't learn this one specifically, but I can go to the one icon.
She wants,
She wants to play
to play
again.
again. She wants to play again.
She wants to play again. Let's take a look at some other ones. We have the word there up here in the activity row.
There.
Other ones in the activity row are words like now, right?
Now.
Let's say you need to go now. You need
You need
to go
to go
now.
now.
Or let's say you need to go there now.
You need to go
Adverb plus up in our activity row there.
there.
Adverb plus activity row now.
Now. You need to go there now.
A lot of times one of my clients, when he's finished with something, says, let's put it away. Away is one of those adverbs. And so if I select my adverb key and just come right down to my map,
away,
because when you're going to an island, you're going away, hopefully, right? So let's say I want to go away. I plus our want icon.
I want
To go
to go
away.
away. I want to go away.
Or you may remember that we put things in a chest. Let's say you need to put it away. So you need,
You need
here's our chest for put.
to put it away.
Another one would be always. We always like to work, right? And so let's do always. It's going to be our adverb key plus the stop sign.
Always.
Why? Because you should always stop at a stop sign. So let's say we always like to work.
We
Adverb plus stop sign,
always
like
like
to work.
to work.
Actually, let's practice both of those new parts of speech together. Let's say they always like to play outside. So they
They
always is going to be our adverb on the stop sign.
always
Like
like
to play.
to play
And outside would be our preposition plus our sun.
outside. They always like to play outside.
As you can see, when I select the preposition key or when I select the adverb key, there are a lot of words within those categories to explore. So go ahead and take some time on your own to explore these new parts of speech.